Creating a proposal in PropStart is a simple and efficient process that will allow faculty to initiate communication with the Office of Sponsored Programs. To create a new proposal, you will need your Texas State NetID and password, as well as an internet browser. Preferred web browsers to access PropStart are Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Safari. PropStart is tablet-friendly, so you may use a multitude of devices to use PropStart. To begin, enter your username and password. Click Login. You'll be redirected to the PropStart dashboard. To create a new proposal, click on Create New. You'll be redirected to the first screen of the proposal questionnaire. Please note several items on this first screen. First, the column to the left of your screen will contain all sections of the questionnaire that you will need to review. As your progress moves forward, the percentage complete section will increase as well. The bottom of your screen contains a previous, save, next, and grade submit to OSP field. As you navigate through the questions, you may go back and forth through the sections. You may also save. Once all required items have been entered, the Submit to OSP button will no longer be gray, and you will be able to submit your initial proposal to the Office of Sponsored Programs. Not all questions are required. Those required are marked with a red asterisk. Those questions are required to be answered in order to save and submit the questionnaire to the Office of Sponsored Programs. Furthermore, these 6 questions above, presented in the Basic Information tab, Delivery tab, and Personnel tab, are required in order to save. These questions are all noted with a red asterisk. To begin, please enter the title of your project. If unknown, please leave as to be determined. If you would like to copy information from a previous PropStart proposal, select Yes. Doing so will prompt you to enter the previous proposal title or keywords from that title. Select your proposal to copy and click Confirm. If you would like to begin this proposal new with no copied information, proceed with No as your selected answer. If this is a new proposal, select Yes. However, if this is a continuation, renewal, resubmission, revision, supplement, or task order to an existing proposal, please select the most appropriate choice. Descriptions of these types are located to the right of the screen. Please enter your start and end dates for this proposal. If at this point you are unsure, please provide a best estimate for when you would like for your proposal to start and end. If you have a web link for your guidance and would like to provide, please select Provide a Link and enter the web address. If you would like to upload a file instead, please continue on until you have entered personnel information. From there, click Save and then return to this section to upload your file. Please select Yes if your proposal purpose is research. If your purpose is instruction rather than research, please select No and select Instruction. Please identify your sponsor for this proposal application. If your sponsor is not listed in the drop-down, please select To Be Determined and inform the Office of Sponsored Programs via email or through the Notes section located toward the bottom of the questionnaire. Please identify if the opportunity is federal by selecting Yes. If federal, enter the CFDA number, opportunity title, or opportunity ID, along with deadline and deadline type. If you know your sponsored program code, please enter. If not, leave blank. If this is not a federal opportunity, please select No. Enter the opportunity title here and select the sponsor type and deadline type using the drop-down. Enter the proposal deadline here. If the sponsor to which you are applying has received their funds via pass-through funding, select Yes. If not, select No. If unknown, select No as well. An example of this would be if the sponsor were the Texas Education Agency, but the funds for this opportunity came directly from the Department of Education. Please select the most appropriate funding mechanism for this award. If unknown, select To be determined, Unknown. If you anticipate providing subawards or subcontracts, please select Yes. If known, enter the amount to be provided to each subaward. Please select the subawardee from this proposal by typing their name. If the subawardee you would like to add is not located in the drop-down, please inform the Office of Sponsored Programs via email or through the Notes section located toward the bottom of the questionnaire. This next selection is related to the delivery of your proposal. Please indicate how the proposal will be delivered and who will submit the proposal. Please note many federal agencies and state agencies require the Office of Sponsored Programs to deliver proposals on behalf of the PI. Please add any additional comments regarding delivery here. If you would like to add keywords at this time, do so here by selecting from the drop-down. If your keywords are not listed, please inform the Office of Sponsored Programs via email or through the Notes section located toward the bottom of the questionnaire. If you will be the PI or the co-PI on this proposal, select your role from the drop-down box. The next screen will show your information here. To add additional co-PIs or key personnel, do so by typing their name in this box. Select their role and click Add. Please note that PropStart does not allow for the role of 2 or more principal investigators. At this point, you will now be able to save your proposal. Doing so will provide you with an identifying number that will be carried throughout the life of your proposal. The next screen will show the lead department based on the identity of the PI. Should this proposal need to be submitted through the Texas State Research Foundation, please select here. If work is to be performed outside of the Texas State campus, please identify the other locations by name here. If their name does not appear, please identify them on the Notes section located toward the bottom of the questionnaire. Please skip Special Reviews. If at this time you would like to add an abstract, please do so here. Select the abstract type and enter or copy and paste in this text box. Click Add to include in the questionnaire. If at this time you would like to add an attachment, please do so here. Select the attachment first by category, either proposal or personnel, then select the type of attachment. Upload your file by selecting Browse. Please upload attachments in their original form, such as Word or Excel. If there are additional notes you would like to enter, please do so here. This next section poses questions related to proposal information, compliance, and certification. Be sure to answer all questions, either yes or no. By clicking Save after this item, you are now able to submit your proposal to OSP. Doing so will initiate the proposal process. Please note that your draft has now changed to a pending proposal. To view all items that have been entered into your PropStart proposal, please click View Summary Report. This item will take you to JasperSoft, where you can print a PDF version of all of the information that you have just submitted. You will then be able to save and/or print this document for your records. To go back to your dashboard, please click on Researcher. And now you may log out if you are done or continue doing additional work on your dashboard in PropStart.